Well, it's been a few years since I've had these Salvation data trays. Rather than keep changing these things on and off every time I switch, I have two of them. One I have set for 3.5, one for 2.5 inch drives, but they've done their time. Out with the old, in with the new. This is one from Apex Tool. Even kind enough to put my company name on it. This cool little tray to convert slides off. Now 3.5 inch. Tray and screws. Slide her in. Seems like easier said than done, but there you go. Now it's 2.5 inch. Nice.